Hey, Lassie, I got you a stuffed animal. Oh, shit. Okay. Damn, boy, he's thick! Boy, that's a thick-ass boy! Damn!
Around the world, around the world. Hey!
Whoa! God, that was close. Oh my God! Ugh. Woo!
So close, we're here. There's the
Excuse me!
So, Pen, did you or did you not eat my beef jerky?
Yup.
Yep, you did. Oh, you admit it.
Gigi! Stop!
Wow!
Let the birds out. Chirp, 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 chirp.
Whoa, up. Wow!
Hi! Hello, dear!
That's a great picture.
Hey, buddy, what are you doing?
Yeah, he does!
We ready or what?
Oh, hold on, I'm fucking with my hole. Oh shit.
Forever name I swear. He said you've been out. He said you've been out. He said you've been out.
If you're happy and you know it, say I will. If you're happy and you know it, say I will.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
O, jest nim nie tak. Ma mnie w dupie, o. No nie.
过过了，好了，过了。 Can't even feel this. Oh, holy shit. Bippity boppity. Give me the hoppity. Scurry. Ooh, time to hide under the chair. Ooh.
Wakey, it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for...
Oh. Okay. That's my pillow. I know you're awake. Wilma.
What are you doing?
Swim, don't kill. Yeah, she wants to swim, Jerry. Kill her, Jerry! Kill her! Kill her now! Murder!
William. Oh God.
Monty, was it you that knocked over the rubbish bin? What about you, Pepper?
What's up, big dude? What's up?
It's a big deal. It's a big deal. Oh my God.
Du koksudoze dessa. Ai!
You little dino fan? You want me to get you little dino? Okay, okay, stop crying.
With her boy. Stay down, stay down.
Okay, new challenge. Wait till your dog's sleeping, then take one of his favorite treats and put it under his nose and see if he wakes up.
Wait. Wait.
Oh my God, I just got a tail wag.
Somebody's ready for winter.
No. No. Hey,
Chester! Are you kidding me?
never gets old.
Wow. No, just impressive.
Oh yeah, she's got muscles.
Wow.
Hello, baby girl. Hello.
Gotta go to work.
This has gone too far now.
Oh, like I'm crying.
Oh no, I need to shower.
Jackie, come on, your leg.
I need to shower. No, we can't be friends anymore.
Dennis, you're going to have to go in your cage.
Did you just touch me? No, I didn't touch you. Pretty sure you just touched me.